afternoon, sir. My name is Brian. I would like to introduce my project for final term. This is a foldable, sir. My simple projects. And I choose the title of Biodiversity and a Healthy Society. This is my foldable looks like. Very simple, but it's more and lesson. So, in the cover page, I have which name is project for the final term, and this is for the submitted by and the submitted to. So this is what it looks like, and inside is like this. So I would like to introduce the inside of this project for final term. So this is the title I chosen, which is Biodiversity and Healthy Society, and that contains is we have a biodiversity. Next, we have types of biodiversity. And say a third, we have interaction of the three types of biological and diversity. And fourth, we have distribution of biodiversity. And fifth, we have biodiversity hotspot. And sixth, we have benefits of biodiversity. And seven, we have traits of biodiversity, natural causes. And eight, we have traits of biodiversity, heterogenetic causes. Number 9 is conservation of biodiversity, and lastly we have biodiversity conservation. So this is the inside of biodiversity. So we follow the types of diversity. We have species diversity, ecosystem diversity, and genetic diversity. And the interaction, we have 2 bullets. And distribution, we have also 4 bullets. We have climate, altitude, soil, and presence of other species. We have also biodiversity and contains of the biodiversity. Next, if we have benefits of biodiversity. So this is the bullets. We have balanced nature, biological productivity, regulation of climate, degradation of waste, cleaning of air, water, cycling of nutrients, control of potential pests and disease-causing species, detoxification of soil and sediments, stabilization of the land against erosion, carbon sequestration and global climate change, maintenance of soil fertility. So the traits is we have the inside of the traits we have 4 bullets also. We have narrow geographical area. Next, we have low population. Third, we have low breeding rate. And 4, we have natural disaster. That is for the traits to biodiversity, natural causes. And the next, we have traits of biodiversity, anthropogenetic causes. And the contains is we have 8 number here. First, we have the alteration and destruction of ecosystem. The famous palm oil is extracted, hunting and execution of animals, agricultural practices, introduction of exotic species, climate change, tourism, and ignorance. Next, we have a conversation of biodiversity, and we have also contents here. We have biodiversity inventories. We have conserving biodiversity in protective tree habitats. We have restoration of biodiversity, imparting environmental education. Next, we have enacting, strengthening, and enforcing environmental legislation. We have also reviewing the agriculture practice. Next, we have controlling urbanization, conservation through biotech technology, and we have lastly population control. So in the biodiversity conversation, we have a map here. So this is, and lastly, that's it. So this is my project foldable for the final term. Thank you.